Now that we've gone through the entire process of how to use Mastin Labs styles, let's spend some time diving into how to use certain functions. The first one we'll go over is tone profiles and the situations they can be used for. All hard is great for images that need more definition and depth. It will also fit well with darker and underexposed images that make your subject stick out. All soft levels out both the highlights and shadows by retaining detail to make the colors appear more pastel and enhance a popular film look. Highlight hard can be used to enhance photos by raising the highlights and drawing attention to the subject in the image. Highlight soft is used to preserve or bring back details in highlights and level out exposure in your photo. Shadow hard can help with images that may appear too flat by dropping levels in your shadows. Depth and contrast will also be added. Shadow soft comes in handy for images that have lost detail in the shadows due to underexposing or harsh light. It can bring back parts of the photo that have been lost to shadows and reveal a more balanced version of the image. Use the tone profiles in your styles to give your images the polished look you've been wanting.